નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is natural vegetation. Dear children, in the previous lecture we have already completed the types of the natural vegetation, and you know very well that total 5 types of the natural vegetation is there. One is a tropical rainforest, second one is a tropical deciduous forest, third one tropical desert vegetation, fourth one is a temperate forest in the grassland, and fifth one mangrove forest. This all forest we have completed into the detailed study. Now next topic today, dear children, we have to learn about the forest product and their utility. It means જંગલોની પેદાશ અને તેની ઉપયોગિતા. Forests are useful to the mankind in the many ways. What about that, dear children? Here the forests are useful to the mankind in the many ways. Timber wood, which one, dear children? Timber wood from teak and sal is used for the furniture. What they have given the, dear children? They have given the timber wood from teak and the sal is used for the furniture making. Boards are prepared from the wood of the sundri tree. Which tree are used for the preparing the board, dear children? Then wood of the sundri tree of the sundarvan are used to preparing the board shop. Sports goods and packing boxes are also the prepared from the wood of the pine and cheed tree. Turpentine is prepared from the liquid from the cheed tree. What happened, the dear children? Here turpentine is prepared from the liquid from the tree cheed. Same way, sandalwood is used to prepare the perfume, oil, cosmetic, etc. Same way, basket, toys, goods of the home decoration, etc. are made up from the bamboo tree. What happened, dear children? Here basket, toys, goods of the home decoration, etc. are made up from the which tree? From the bamboo tree. Forest also provide a lac, it means sealing wax, resin, gum, rubber, honey, cane, etc. Amra, this all are, they have to given the name that amra, behda, harde, ashwagandha hold the medicinal utility. These all are the name of the plant. They are using for the medicinal utility. Now, dear children, already they have given one chart into your textbook that medicinal utility of the vegetation. It means vanaspatini aushadhiya upyogita. Now, dear children, they have given the name of the vegetation. Vegetation, it means vanaspati. First, they have given the name of the vegetation, that sarpagandha, limdo, tulsi, arjun sadar, after billi, gado, harde, amla, karanj. This all are the name of the vegetation, and this all are vegetation we are using into the medicinal utility. Like example, they have to given that tulsi, then we are using the tulsi for the cold, cough and the fever, it means sardi, udras and tav. Same way, dear children, they have given about the sarpagandha, then we are using the sarpagandha in high blood pressure. So they have given the full chart in your textbook. Beside the leaf plates from khakro leaves, caches from the khe tree, and the bidi from timbru leaves are also the prepared. Forest provide the livelihood and the food for the forest dwellers. This way, the forests are contributing into the social and economical development of the mankind. So, dear children, we can say that the forest contribute into the social and economical development of the mankind. It means we are using the forest into the different purposes. Now, dear children, next they have to given about the information of the environmental importance of the forest. It means જંગલોનું પર્યાવરણીય મહત્વ. Now, following are the importance they are given for the forest. First, the forests are useful to bring the rain. Dear children, you know very well that forests are useful Second one, they control the atmosphere for becoming the adverse. What happened, dear children? We know very well that the forest also control the atmosphere from becoming the adverse effect. After, they provide the life-saving oxygen. Dear children, you know very well that we are getting the oxygen from the forest. So, they provide the life-saving oxygen. After, forest control the flood. Dear children, you know very well that the forest control the flood. Flood, it is poor. They absorb the harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Dear children, you know very well that forest absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide. After, forest prevent the soil erosion. What happened, dear children? Here the forest is prevent the soil erosion. Soil erosion, it means જમીનનું ધોવાણ રોકે છે. Forest maintain the groundwater. What happened, dear children? Forest also maintaining the groundwater. Forest restrict the advancing desert. What happened that, dear children? Forest also restrict the advancing desert area. Forests are useful in reducing the air pollution. Dear children, you know very well that the forests are useful for reducing the air pollution. Forest enhance the natural beauty, and that's why what happened that when we are feeling the unhappiness, that time we are going for the walk into the nature way, and that's why what happened that this natural beauty helped by human being to peace. Forest purify the air. Dear children, you know very well that the forest purify the air. Forests are the ideal places for adventure and the tourism activity. Dear children, you know very well that forests are the ideal places for the adventure tourist activities, and that's why some forests are reserved with the reference to the national park, sanctuary, and the biodiversity. And that's why, dear children, we can say that some forests are reserved with the reference to the national park and the sanctuary. So, through all over them, how the forests are useful for the environmental important, then we can say that forests are useful for to bring the rain, after control the atmosphere from becoming the adverse, life-saving oxygen, control the flood. Also, they absorb the harmful gases like carbon dioxide, prevent soil erosion, maintain groundwater, restrict advancing desert, reducing the air pollution, enhance the natural beauty, purify the air, and the ideal places for the adventure tourist activity. So these all are the important points for the environment where the forests are important for us. Next one, dear children, they have to given the forest conservation. It means jungle संरक्षण. Ecosystem is formed due to the interrelation of the biosphere and the mankind. Dear children, you know very well that the ecosystem is formed due to the interrelation of the biosphere and the mankind. But due to the anti-environmental activity and the selfishness of the man, what happened, dear children? Here, anti-environmental activity as well as the selfishness of the man, the ecosystem is totally disturbed, and due to that the man is insatisfied. Desire to produce the land is responsible for the destruction of the forest. Forests are destroyed also due to increasing the population, policy to establish the industrial unit and away from the residential area. So what happened that here the forests are destroyed also due to increasing population, policy to establish the industrial unit and away from the residential area, and urbanization, multi-purpose project, construction of the road, june cultivation to get a timber and fuel wood, forest fire, etc. And that's why what happened that ecological balance is disturbed due to the destruction of the forest. What happened that, dear children? Due to the destruction of the forest, our ecological balance is disturbed. That's why here I have written that ecological balance is disturbed due to the destruction of the forest. Adverse effects are noticed due to the forest destruction. This includes that decreasing rainfall, drought, global warming, greenhouse effect, advancing desert, shelterness of the wild animal, etc. What happened there, dear children? Which are the adverse effects due to the forest destruction? Then we can include that in decreasing rainfall, drought, global warming, greenhouse effect, advancing desert, shelterness of the wild animal. These all are the adverse effect due to the forest destruction. According to the national policy of the 1952, there must be a forest over 33% of total geographical areas of the nation. In India, the forests are spread over about 23% area, while forests occupy only the 10% of the land of the Gujarat. How much, dear children? We remember that forests are spread over about 23% area, while forests occupied about 10% of the land of the Gujarat, and it is necessary to prevent the destruction of forest and to protect and conservation of the forest is the necessary. So dear children, what happened that we can say that it is necessary that we have to protect and conserve our forest. Next, dear children, they have given about the remedies to the conserve forest. What happened there? Remedies to conserve the forest, it means જંગલોના જતન માટેના ઉપાયો. In order to protect and conserve the forest, the government of India implement the National Forest Policy in 1952. What happened there, dear children? In 1952, protect and conserve the forest, the Indian government implement the National Forest Policy. In 1980, the Parliament passed a legislative act, and in 1988, a new national policy was announced. Following are the steps should be taken to preserve the forest. First, you know very well that the forests are our nation resources. You know very well that forests are our nation resources. To take it as our moral duty to protect them. So dear children, we know very well that forests are our national resources. So this is our responsibility that we have to protect the forest. Next, tree felling should be the stop. What happened there? Tree felling, it means cut down of the tree. We have to stop it. Heavy punishment must be inflicted to those who cut the tree illegally. Next one, to increase the public participation in Van Mahotsav and social forestry, tree must be planted on either side of the wasteland, river, railway track, and the road and the raise them. What happened there, dear children? We can say that to increase the public participation in Van Mahotsav and the social forestry, tree must be planted on the either side of the wasteland, river, railway track, road, and raise them. Create the awareness about the environment through environmental education and school syllabus, and celebrate the environmental related day. Dear children, this is the most important thing. Which one? Create the awareness about the environment through the environmental education and the school syllabus, and celebrate the environmental related days. You know very well that, dear children, 21st March is World Forest Day, 22nd April is Earth Day, 5th June World Environment Day. In July month we celebrate the Van Mahotsav, and 16th September is celebrated as a World Ozone Day. This all information they have to be given in your textbook also. Next one, take a precaution to avoid the forest fire, and in case of the fire it must be dosed immediately. What happened there, dear children? Take the precaution to avoid the forest fire. If the forest fire is there, then what happened there? Immediately we have to take the action to control the forest fire. Use a renewable energy resources such as solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, etc. in the place of the traditional resources like wood, which is used to get the energy. Dear children, what happened that we have to think about the alternate use of the other energy. It means we are using the alternative source of energy. Like example, solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy. In place of, you have to stop the traditional resources like wood, which is used to get the energy. Next and seventh and last one, explain the importance of the forest to the people through the broadcasting media and bring the public awareness about it. What happened there, dear children? We have to explain the importance of the forest people through broadcasting media and bring the public awareness about it. And dear children, you know very well that in year 2011 declared as a World Forest Year in order to bring the global awareness. So dear children, this is the responsibility that you have to take care about the forest, and you have to conserve and save the forest, and also we have given the awareness to the other people. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us